What's up, people of the world? This is Next D, Pinoy Cowboy. Ang cowboy na mahilig mag-exercise pero tamad pumunta sa gym. Chest workout with resistance band, no attachments. Alright, okay, so if you're ready, I am ready. Come join me. Let's get it on. Today's workout, guys, will be doing 3 to 4 set, 12 to 15 repetition, and of course, don't forget to take a rest every set at least 30 seconds, guys. Alright, and of course, hydrate yourself, drink a lot of water, and let's get it. The alternating side push-up, guys. Cross body upper chest flies, and it goes something like this, guys. And the next one will be the upper chest press. And the next one will be upper chest wide fly. So there you have it, guys. A very nice and lovely chest exercises using resistance band. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, this is Mix D, Pinoy Cowboy, saying keep on exercising because health is wealth, guys. Paalam!